If you've ever been confused by SQL joins, you're not alone. This is one of the most asked database questions on Stack Overflow. In this video, we'll break down the four big ones: inner join, left join, right join, and full join, all in simple language with clear examples. Let's imagine two tables. First, a users table with a list of users. Second, an orders table with each order and which user made it. Both tables share a column called user ID. That's the key we'll use to connect them. An inner join means, give me only the rows that match in both tables. So, only users who have at least one order. If a user has no orders, they disappear from the result. If an order somehow has no valid user, it also disappears. Inner join is the only where it matches join. A left join starts with the left table. So if we write from users left join orders, we say, give me every user, even if they have no orders. When a user has matching orders, we see those too. When they don't, the order columns are just empty, or null. Left join is everything from the left plus matches from the right. A right join is the same idea, but from the other side. From users right join orders means, give me every order, even if we don't have a matching user. You'll see all rows from the right table, orders. Missing users show up as empty values. A full join, or full outer join, is the most complete. It says, give me all rows from both tables. Rows that match are combined. Rows that don't match still appear, with empty values on the side that's missing. It's like left join plus right join in one result. The real power of joins is in the on clause. That's where you tell SQL how rows relate. Usually something like users.userid equals orders.userid. So remember, inner join, only matching rows. Left join, everything on the left. Right join, everything on the right. Full join, everything from both. If you want to turn explanations like this into your own animated videos, go to vidfactory.ai. There, you can create clean, professional explainer videos in just a few minutes without needing a full production team.